Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're going to start up our 74 F100 here. A little too much choke there. Right, currently it's got a little exhaust leak. Blower motor works. Radio actually works. Horn does not work. And wiper, oh yeah, that wipers work. Blinker. What's that bulb out on the left hand side? They do work. Just got it in, so we're gonna be cold-blooded.